Thank you for viewing our video. For more information, please visit www.hghtherapy.me. What is HGH therapy? The perfect HGH therapy is a combination of the highest quality medications prescribed by a medically supervising, licensed physician and healthy lifestyle living habits. Growth hormone is secreted from the pituitary gland in healthy people, but decreases in its production over the years pass. Treatment may become necessary by using HGH by recombinant DNA technology, as opposed to the years ago when it was extracted by the human pituitary gland for use in medications. HGH therapy benefits include, in part, the stimulation of growth reproduction, organ growth stimulation, strengthening of the immune system, mental acuity, sexual interest, high energy levels, and more. GH must be tested within the body to see if therapy is necessary due to depletion. The GH controls the production of insulin-like growth factor 1, which is called IGF-1, and it is what gets tested through blood work. It affects the body's composition in all ways. As growth hormones decrease, so do IGF-1 amounts. So once these levels are low enough to cause issues, this is when patients can get prescribed HGH treatments. Benefits of HGH therapy. The benefits of HGH therapy are being talked about by professionals and patients in need all across the country as being so remarkable that more and more people are tuning to HGH therapy to change their lives. Over the years, human growth hormone therapy has become a very unique healing opportunity for both men and women who are having GH deficiencies. Many studies have been revealing that legal growth hormone therapy can bring about incredible changes to metabolic and psychological irregularities that come from hormone imbalances due to aging or from living years without taking care of the body as it should be treated. These issues can be completely eliminated by the therapy. What is HGH therapy? Treatment consists of replacing lost GH in the body with injections of bioidentical HGH. Clinical trials have concluded that the therapy can lead to the following: amplified energy levels, enhanced sexual interest and better erections, elimination of erectile dysfunction, lesser excess body fat, leaner muscle, improved emotional well-being and stability with less irritability, improved memory, focus, and concentration, stronger bones for better bone density and less risk of developing osteoporosis, reduction in wrinkles as elastin and collagen formation are stimulated and increased, more attractive looking skin in appearance, tone and elasticity, stronger cardiac output that helps to lower blood pressure, more deep and restful sleep, strength and growth of hair and nails, maintaining a healthy lipid level for lower cholesterol, sharper vision, improved immunity to ward off sickness, night sweats, and hot flashes become more controlled and eliminated. When speaking about pros and cons of HGH therapy, this numerous favorable effects of treatment have been and are still being well researched and documented all the time. Pros are undeniable and cons are limited to only those who do not follow their doctor's orders according to the prescriptions or who do not work with legit HGH clinics and doctors. How much does HGH therapy cost? When a patient is interested in knowing the price of HGH treatment program, the answer is not a secret. It's just not set in stone to be able to post on a website with accuracy. HGH therapy prices will vary among each person due to several things such as which medications are used and dosage for HGH therapy that the patient needs and how long a person is using them. Most clients who begin and experience treatment are very aware of the remarkable benefits it brings, and they do realize that the price is worth every penny. Can a person put a price on gaining quality of life? One tiny vial of HGH medication can bring benefits to that person that they never expected. Being aware of these advantages will help him or her overcome any amount that HGH therapy costs and use their money to save their lives. Often we get asked, is HGH therapy covered by insurance? This can definitely help the offset of the cost, but the answer will depend upon a couple factors. 1. What insurance company is being used, and do they specifically cover HGH treatment? 2. The claims department will want proof that there is medical need for HGH therapy as declared by a medical doctor. They want to know that, medically speaking, a person suffering with the effects from the depletion of hormones and not wanting the medications for other purposes. The next time one finds themselves worrying about the cost of HGH therapy, they should push that out of their minds and replace those thoughts with an extraordinary benefits that they will be receiving from the treatment with HGH from a qualified clinic such as HGH Clinics of America. Pros and cons of HGH therapy. Life can be greatly intensified with amazing adventures and joy when one knows the pros and cons of HGH therapy. First of all, it can easily and truthfully be said that negative side effects from treatment are rare if they occur at all. If they do surface, it's usually because a person has not followed the HGH treatment plan protocol and steered off the path directed by the prescribing doctor. This is why reputable companies give ongoing medical supervisions to make sure that does not happen. The pros are plentiful and cover almost every aspect of a person's health, including the health of the mind and the body. HGH injection pros are that they can increase energy, sleep, libido, hair growth, attractive looking skin, vision, bone density, muscle mass, mood, cardiac functioning, immunity, memory, and healing. HGH therapy for women and men decreases blood pressure, weight gain, cellulite, wrinkles, cholesterol level, depression, and other medical issues and signs of overall aging. HGH therapy has been changing lives for decades. The reasons listed above make that apparent. How to get HGH therapy for men. Allow a reputable clinic to test for a true HGH deficiency caused by the aging process, and that is how to get HGH therapy for men or women legally and safely. A few of the most popular reasons HGH clinics see men in is for their desire to attain boost in energy, sexual performance endurance, stamina, and improved strength, better sports performance, and recovery time from injury. Once IGF-1 levels are correctly tested by the most qualified professionals and deficiency is detected, men can get a prescription for exactly what they need to make a difference in their lives. Many times a man will start developing low HGH levels due to their poor lifestyle living, of course, along with aging. He may be more inclined to having a lot of stress at work or maybe his personal life. Sexual malfunctioning in a romantic relationship can lead to trouble and low self-esteem. Why? Men often pride and measure their self-worth in part according to good sexual stamina and performance. Men usually have a desire to have bigger muscles and to be stronger as well. When HGH levels decrease and these issues arise, confidence levels decrease and depression can set deeply at times. This is when very reputable clinics such as HRT Centers of America can help. HGH therapy for women. More than ever, females are looking for help with HGH therapy due to their depletion in growth hormones in their bodies. This can lead to a plethora of issues that are very common to all and can truly hamper the quality of living. HGH, which is naturally secreted by the pituitary gland and the ovaries in women, acts on a target of cells of the body to produce specific effects. Some that are unique to women only and others common to all. One of these effects is the feeling of hot flashes, especially during menopause. The release of growth hormones stimulates sexual drive and fantasies in women, and when levels become low, so does libido. Studies have shown that HGH allows the secretion of proinsulins in the liver. This promotes bone and cartilage development, which helps slow and eliminate the process of osteoporosis, which women can be very prone to developing as they deal with bone loss as they age. The bodily function also burns glucose and excess fat and uses it for energy. For both genders, GH also needs to be in normal range to help improve cardiac and lung functioning, and supplementation is needed if ranges are below normal for each individual. HGH therapy benefits. A healthy mind and body consists of very similar things for most people, and HGH therapy benefits can be seen according to the people of all walks of life and all parts of the country. They are to help people to live longer, happy, and healthier lives with lots to look forward to with energy and spunk. As HGH therapy becomes more popular as each day passes, people are becoming more familiar with many of the remarkable advantages that they can reap from safe and effective treatment when medically needed. As the pituitary gland produces and releases less and less amounts of GH, people find that their muscles fade, their skin sags, and they get easily fatigued, their sexual lives dwindle, and their immune system decrease. The good news is that there are many amazing benefits of HGH therapy that reduce the ailments felt and the change of attitudes of people who may have thought life was just not worth it. If a person is looking for an increase of energy and vitality, HGH therapy can provide that, along with stronger bones for overall bodily power, healthier skin, nails, and growing hair. How does hair and skin become tighter? Well, HGH can promote the strength and connective tissue, which can decrease sagging and wrinkles by helping the skin become tighter. HGH helps with cell and connective tissue regeneration. Want to lose weight? HGH therapy can help rid unwanted belly fat and replace it with energy and lean muscle mass. Improved memory by reaping the benefits of release of amino acids that can help the brain function better. Overall organ growth will ensure with HRT as well. Growth hormone therapy. It is important to recognize that although benefits of growth hormone therapy can be achieved with medications alone, even more maximum benefits can come from good, healthy habits. This includes exercising regularly, eating a sensible diet, ceasing all smoking, drinking, only moderate amounts of alcohol, getting at least 8 hours of deep sleep per night, and keeping stress levels low. In combination, true change can occur in the body and the psyche for happier and healthier lives. For decades, HGH therapy has been giving people back their determination and motivation to succeed in their life endeavors and have healthy relationships and hobbies. When a person feels healthy in all the ways, they can radiate these feelings and include others inside the world of happiness. GH therapy has helped people to get a place such as this with top quality medications and eradication of some serious aging issues. Dosage for HGH therapy. Knowing what the dosage for HGH therapy is needed can help with the symptoms that interfere a person's life as they grow older. However, the dosage amount will be for a doctor to decide after careful consideration of blood tests, physical exam, and knowing a person's medical history. Having a balanced level of growth hormone is crucial to the body's ability to keep higher metabolism, generate new cell growth, keep energetic, and overall help a person feel young and vibrant mind and body. We know that HGH decreases with age and can leave one not feeling so lively and excited about life. The good news is that HGH supplementations in the form of injection can safely reverse symptoms and give a person a great reason to get up in the morning. As all people are different, so will be the dosage the doctor will prescribe for them. As a whole, however, it has been said that professionals with HGH should not administer in large doses, as this could cause the opposite effects desired. Large dosage can increase the pituitary gland and can actually speed up the aging process, according to many studies. The way clients usually take HGH medication should be at high frequency and low doses. According to research, this is the way the body responds best to the treatment. Cost of HGH. What is the cost of HGH? Many factors will determine the price of this kind of remarkable treatment that has saved lives and given so many people a new outlook on the future. If a patient was to combine doctor's visits, lab testing, medication costs, medical supervision, and constant contact with advisors during an approximately 6 months course of treatment, what would be the cost? Then add money spent on gas for the car, money lost for the time of work and appointments, inconvenience of travel, and from a physician's office. How much does HGH therapy cost? This will depend on all these factors. However, if one gets treatment online with a fair and safe, reputable clinic like the Health Conscious Centers of America, that will take a lot of cost away. Find out the cost. Therapy will have to be done on an individual basis with a doctor who knows a patient's condition, symptoms, and medical history, their IGF-1 levels, and the doctor-prescribed HGH treatment and medical requirements. For more information, please visit www.hghtherapy.me.